What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today the kind people over at Ringke is kind enough to send me out 4 different cases for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first, let me pull up their website so you can see what cases we have here. And I do love a lot of Ringke's cases that they have to offer. So we have the S25 Ultra. We have 4 different cases that they were kind enough to send me over. So first, let's do, we have the IS from Ringke, from Ringke. So this is just a black case with your MagSafe ring on the back, and I love a MagSafe ring on the back. So we're just gonna throw this case, oh, it's a 2-part case actually. We're gonna throw this case on the device and see my thoughts, and we're gonna bring over, first let me get out a MagSafe wireless charger so you can see that it will work with MagSafe. Should have had this ready, but I didn't. Let me get one that is charged up here. Just bear with me. But we're going to have to plug it in so it can be charged. So let's see how much this case will run you if you wanted to pick this A-list up. So this case currently will run you $33.99 plus tax. So this is the picture of the case right there. So now let's pick up the case. S25 Ultra. This is the case. Stick it in like so. Just like that. So you do get a nice lip. As you can see, you do get a nice lip. I would just recommend you get a screen protector. And right now, I do not currently have a screen protector for my S25 Ultra. So I'm going to be very careful. But if you had a screen protector and you place your phone flat down on the table, you will have nothing to worry about because your device will be good and protected. Over here, you do have all of your buttons that you are supposed to have. I like how those look. Those really do look good there. So you get your volume button, volume up and down button, nice and clicky, no problem. You do get your power button. It's nice and clicky. I don't know how well you can hear that, no problem. You don't get anything right here. Coming over though, you do get access to your USB-C charging port and that S Pen, no problem there. You can get that S Pen out just like that. Over here, you do get nothing on this side. If you cut it on the back, turn it on the back, you do get access to that MagSafe ring. It's a kickstand also, so you can watch some YouTube videos in this angle or do some typing in this angle. You do get nice cutouts for the camera. They're all separate. I really love that. You will be able to charge your device using MagSafe with this case on your phone. But I love the fact that it has this kickstand on the back, and it's a 360, so you can spin it and turn it, and that is a really nice touch. So this was the A-list. This is the black one. So we have that. Take that off, put that over there. Next, we're going to do the Fusion. And I am a sucker for clear cases, you all know. So let me bring up that so you can see how much the Fusion would cost you if you were into getting the case. So this case will cost you $15.99. There's one with MagSafe and without. This is the one without MagSafe. I really wish I could have got the one with MagSafe, but it is what it is. I just appreciate being able to get their cases, period. So you get information guide on how to pull off the paper inside. This is a Ringke sticker. And then you also get the case. You peel this off like so. And then there's a film on the inside that you have to peel off like so. Pick up your S25 Ultra. You know, be gentle with it, but put it in there like so. This does not add too much bulk to your device. I can tell you that right now. It feels like you almost have nothing on your phone, but this does look good. I like the way it looks and feels. You do get access. Hold on, let me wipe my phone off. Man, I need a screen protector bad. But you do get access to a nice lip around the edges. So if you want to place your phone flat down on the table, you can. Just make sure you get a screen protector so you do not have to worry about scratches or nicks. You get your volume up and down buttons, which are very, very nice and clicky. You see here. Very, very nice and clicky. You get your power button. It has some kind of ridges on the outside of it, and I really do like that. If you can see it, really looks good. You get nothing down here. I think that is a lanyard loop if you're into that kind of thing. You also get access to your cables at the bottom. S Pen, no problem. Coming over to the back, you do get a nice camera cutout for your cameras. So if you place your phone flat down on the table on the cameras, you shouldn't have anything to worry about. So this has been the Ringke Fusion for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's just take that off like so. Stack this over here. Next, run you $22.99 plus tax. But this is the kind of look and feel you're going to get with this case right here. It's supposed to have MagSafe wireless charging, so we shall see. So let's just peel it. Oh. Okay, sorry. I messed up. So this is not, that was not the Onyx. This is the Fusion X. Sorry about that. Let me go back. I'm getting a little excited here. This is the Fusion X. The Fusion X. This is the case I used to have on all my devices, not the Onyx. I am so sorry about that. But this case will run you $17.99. So it's just a clear case with the clear back and some black around the edges for the bumper, but this is a really nice look. So you do have to peel off your stickers like so. Make sure you peel them all off, just like that, because you don't want to leave any of that paper in the case when you put the phone in the case. And like I said, Ringke does have nice, reasonable looking, stylish cases. So we just place the phone in like so. This one is kind of tough getting it in there, but you place it in like so. This one fits snug, I'm gonna tell you that one. This one has a good, nice fit to it. Oh, I like that. This might be my case. We'll see. But anyways, you do get some grip here, some grippage here, get some grip here. So you don't have to worry about this sliding out of your hand or anything, because you're good to go. You do get a nice lip, but like I said, I just recommend you throw a screen protector on there so you can have double the protection. You do get your volume up button, your volume up button, your volume down button. Nice and clicky. Power button. Nice and clicky. It has some kind of ridges on it, and I really love that. And I am gonna get out of that right now. For your USB-C charging port for your S Pen, no problem. You do get a nice cutout for your camera. I really like that. And this has been the Fusion X, not the Onyx, but the Fusion X. So now we're going to pick up the Onyx. I'm trying to hurry up because it looks like my it looks like that my camera battery is about to die, I guess. So now this will be the last case that Ringke was kind enough to send me over, which is the Fusion. What is it? Oh no, this is the Onyx magnetic. I cannot find this one right now at the moment, but do know this is a case that they carry. Maybe this is new, I think, but we shall see. But woo, look at that. I love that. This does have MagSafe capability in the inside here. It's like, this is like a TP, a hard TPU. I really like the way that looks and feels. So we're just going to place the S25 Ultra in like so. This one has another snug fit. This one has some grip on the side, so you do not have to worry about this falling out of your hand. You do get your volume up and down button. Nice and clicky. Power button. Nice and clicky. Once again, you get your lanyard. It doesn't get that on the camera. It says Ringke. Down here, you get your cutouts that you're supposed to have. Easy access to your S Pen. Turning it over to the back, you do get a nice cutout for those cameras. And I'm really liking how this looks and feels on the device. This one does not add any kind of bulk to your devices at all. So these have been the 4 cases that Ringke was kind enough to send me over for my S25 Ultra. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.